I'm ready for it. Welcome back, guys. I don't know, so I Enjay there, guys. I don't know, a long time I don't get to post a video because of work, busy and all that, guys. So today make it be a priority if you know, say, I have to come out today come create a video. See me? So right now today what I'm gonna do, I can fry some dumpling and make some pine juice. As you guys see me that pick the pine them before. So right now I have everything else with that one little stream. You see me there with the dogs, them same way. That's a little stream, guys. So I get this stuff, I'm ready, get the fire make up, get the coconut grater, get the pine grater. I'm gonna make some pine juice and some fried dumpling with green beans in some coconut juice. You see me? So I basically run down same way. And that's the aim for today, guys. So just stay tuned, keep on watching, remember to subscribe and like the video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up and drop your comment what you think about it. You see me, guys? So I over there 1K. Thank you all for that. I really appreciate it. I never get a chance to say thank you, but really appreciate that and thank you guys again. You see me? So just I get going and start doing what I do and you guys can stay. So keep watching. Hope you all enjoy. So as you guys just saw me just do is I clean up a little spot where I'm gonna make the fire today. This me, guys, so I'm gonna get some stone because this one break up. I can use, but I get some stone up this. So guys, I got the stream I can get 2 stone and I can use to make up the fire. So the water around here, so but the air's kind of dirty, but I want water over to wash things. So I get in here so clean out and back up here so we can full it up like. So we can get water to use, you see me? So I do that now. Yeah, we make the water wash out. And let that dirty. Make that wash out first. And make it catch fresh water. Guys, so as you see now, I get all the stone and the bush and everything out of the water. So I'm just gonna make it go and run off now to get the clean fresh water will come down now. So I'm gonna go back here so the water can full up so it can reach certain depth. So while the water catch, I'm gonna see if we can catch up the fire here now. And get to some of the mosquito there, man. We can start grate up the coconut. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, so I did manage to get a fire up, so it's burning now. So I'm just wait for it to catch up more. Even though I'm just make it go and burn and warm at place. Run some of the mosquitoes and all them stuff there, insect them and stuff. So right now I'm just gonna get my coconut oxed. It's already oxed, but just gonna get it picked out and get everything grated up. And while that I cook down, I'm gonna go and grate the pineapple. Let's see me guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how I go on. So then we get the fire up now, and the water will pretty clean. It's clean enough as you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the coconut up, wash off, and start grating it up with me guys. So you guys will see that. Alright guys, so I'm just get the coconut there, picked out, wash off, and right now them look clean and pretty. So I get them grate up here now and juice it out. We can start putting them on the fire and make it go and cook. You see me? So start out that now. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I just grated the coconut. It's all grated now and ready for juice. So I'm gonna juice it out now. As you guys see, juice out, and right now I'm gonna just put it on the fire now, you see me? So grate the coconut grater, juice out on the fire. The only thing left now guys is the pine. So I go and grate the pine while the coconut juice I go and cook, you see me? So just grate up the pine now so we can make the juice when we finish, you see me? So let's just do that. Alright, so put on the pot now, so let's wait on the fire for ketchup back and make this go and cook. So start out the pine now, you know, peeps. So you don't know, pine time. Yeah. Guys, pine really start ripe good yet, so all the people who know my plant pine or no plant pine and know say them go want pine. Pine are really ready yet, you see me? It's just some of them are ripe, so I can't promise nobody say yo, I'm gonna get to the pine and then boom. I can't find it because it's not fully ready yet. But I know say yo, I can just go here, so and go find one. And this time I have to search to find it actually because they're not ready yet. You see me guys? So by the ending of this month everything is supposed to be ready. So you guys can link me by that time. So this way I go. The one here I just go peel it right now and eat it. So I might use my juice. I'll find my use my juice and I go eat the rest. And the other small one I will pick. You see me? So I'll do that right now. And get piece of that pine here. Alright guys, so see the pine here. So let's all cut it here so. And your juice smells good. Guys, it's sweet. I'm not even gonna peel this now guys. Just I'll cut it up and eat it from the skin, you see me? Some people scratch them, but it don't really bother me. Right? It's fine sweet like sugar. Look at that, guys. Natural sweet sugar loaf pie, guys. This now no fertilizer, no pies or nothing. Yeah, guys, so see it, you know, pine sweet like sugar, believe me. Guys, this extra sweet. You guys can taste it right now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat the pine. Believe me, I enjoy that pine so much. So yeah, man, a nice sweet pine just eat a while ago and feel refresher now. So let's finish up my cooking. Sorry. So I finish up my cooking now and we are gonna just go make the juice. So that left me have left to do. So just get to it. Alright guys, so see it here now, fine. I'm gonna bleach it because I eat it. And the next one is the small one, which is white. So I'm gonna get them washed off now. Put them like this and grate them. And make the juice. You see me guys, so I can just do that now. Find a pretty fruit. Yeah, so you don't know, just cut up the pineapple then in the way how I grate them. So I go grate them now and you guys are gonna see the outcome of that, you see me. Alright guys, so I go on the pot here now, coconut juice. So it reach. So now I get to season them now. As you guys can see. Onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, green pepper on the side, same way. And just I will give that a nice little stir. So guys, I don't know, I drop in a curry and a seasoning afterwards. Make it get some color and everything, and afterwards dry down, I will get my peas drop in. So you guys will see that. Come on guys, so I don't know, pot there on the fire blaze up real good. So I get the time to grate the coconut, to grate the pineapples them now. See me? I grate them now and then maybe next 5 minutes or so I check back on the pot and show you guys how it look. I got update on the pot in the peeps. This is how it look. Give me some nice rundown. And we go and dry out it more. I'm going to grate up my pineapples to make the juice. Alright guys, so I don't know the coconut milk could go along the right way. Is it just finish grate up the pineapple? No mind the big chunks you see now because unfortunately my grater break, so I couldn't get to grate everything done. So don't mind the big chunks you see. But everything done grater. So just squeeze up everything now. With my water I bring and sweeten it after. Pour it out in my container. And then I'm gonna knead up my flour and start fry some dumplings, you see me? So I could just do that. Alright peeps, so you don't know I'm gonna pour in some beans you know. You see me? So this peas is called sweet peas, as you guys can see. I've never tried it before, but hopefully it tastes good. So I'm gonna try it in this today. You see me doing like coconut juice. Yeah. So we'll see how this is going to taste today, isn't it guys? Okay guys, so time to put the water in the juice. You know, I put a lot because you know, I want it to be pure water and not juice. So, you know, this water is good enough. But I want it to be really rich and taste really good. I don't want it to be drowned with water, so. You know guys, you know, sweet peas in a coconut juice. Yeah. This should have been served with some rice, but never able with rice, guys. I'm just bring some dumpling, some flour, which I'm gonna fry. Just don't finish it, squeeze out the juice and strain it off. So I'm just show you that the container now, guys. It looks so rich and nice, believe me. So I'm just gonna make this cook down a little more. You see me? And then now, you don't know, say, get the flour knead up, fry, and time to eat the food, isn't it? So we just sort out that. Yeah, in the background is a goat. I don't know if you guys can see him. One goat down there, so I'm gonna make nice and go on, so isn't it? So I'm gonna finish up everything now and wait till it's finished to get to fry the dumpling them, and then we'll all set. Believe me, just taste the juice, and trust me, if you ever put this in your fridge and just make it cool, you can just throw it into your glass. Believe me, guys, you would never believe sugar not in it. Believe me, because right now no sugar not in it, and we taste it, and it is so sweet. I don't need no sugar. I just put a spoon of sugar in it though, because you know more like a sweetness. But if you never have sugar or you not use no sugar, believe me, you never have to use no sugar in this. This just tastes natural and sweet. Only if you don't taste it, I can't really taste it and I can like say, yo, yeah, it's sweet for real, but I tell you no, so it's either I don't believe or not, but trust me, it's really sweet right now. You could just drink right now. Just squeeze and just juice and just drink. Isn't it? So I put the sugar in it here, man. Stir it up, sweeten it a little more. And that's good for me. I'm not going to put a lot. So I could just do that. Alright peeps, so I'm going to now, I'm going to take off this now. So I'm not to dry out too much. So I take off this now, throw it out in this pot, wash out that one here, start need my flour, you see me? So I could do that now. I need the flour like this and then throw out this. Alright guys, so you don't know, I just transfer the beans and thing out of the pot here and put another pot here. So right now I have my flour here, so don't need and something already because we don't need your pan with a vinegar container. So yeah, so wait for the pot for you now, pour my oil, I need my flour. Make my dumpling them and just start fry them, you see me guys? So that's the free right now. So just that step left now. We just fry the dumpling them, juice make already. Note this so. The rundown and everything done already with the beans. So just the dumpling now. Then I get started out. Then we have a nice meal, you see me? So just start that out now guys. So guys, while the oil out of the pot and stuff made. Inside and go make some of the flour them. So let me know if you guys for sound make them down in the comments or make them different or me make them weird. So I'm gonna put them in the pot now. Then they go and fry up now guys. Now a piece more leaf. We're gonna let them go and fry and then put in the rest. Yeah guys, nice brown color. Golden brown. They rub soft and nice guys. So them swell up. Yeah. guys. So you don't know, we get my fork, you know, I taste with the peas.